my name is Claire Sporck, and I am a food photographer and food stylist here in Los Angeles, and I'm here today with the Desire Company. I'm going to show you guys how to use specialty superfood powders in your smoothies. These are some of my favorites. This one is marine collagen, and I always add this to my smoothie, or I blend it into my coffee sometimes, and it has no flavor to it at all. And the benefits of it are that it's loaded with protein, and it's great for your joints, your nails, your skin, your hair, and it's just a really, really great addition to any smoothie. It has no color, and it's just this fine powder. So it's really good. It kind of makes things a little more creamy too. So there's that. And next we have another one of my favorites, which is this blue-green spirulina. And spirulina is actually an algae. So because it's an algae, it tends to have a little bit of that oceany flavor. So you just want to add a little bit. It depends on the smoothie size. Sometimes I'll add a teaspoon, sometimes I'll add a tablespoon. But this is very good for detoxing. And little do people know that spirulina is actually a complete protein. So for those of you that are vegan, this is the perfect addition to a smoothie. So the spirulina is a very, very fine powder, and so it blends really easily into anything. Next, I have another one of my favorites, and it's this brand called Mudwater, and it's a superfood powder. It has chai, it has 3 different types of mushrooms in it, it has cinnamon, and it has turmeric. So I get all of those elements in one. And I usually will just add a small amount to my smoothie, or I'll use it as a replacement for coffee, because the mushrooms, like lion's mane, they give you that natural energy. It's like that smooth energy instead of that really like crazy jitters that coffee gives you. And it also has the elements like cinnamon and turmeric, which are really great for anti-inflammatory purposes. And you can see that this is also really powdery as well, so it blends super easily, and it smells like chai and cinnamon and all the delicious things. These are my 3. And you can obviously add in whatever superfoods you'd like, but I love to use these every day.